It's been a day. Wow. It's been a day and a half. And it's still absolutely boiling. It's boiling hot. Okay, but cool to see that we did have a nice rejection off of this fair value gap. Let me plop these in for now. I need my glasses so I can actually see what the hey diddly day is going on. And let me get that up and running. Okay, so let's do this thing. I nearly said let's go girls. Sorry, I would say I'll stop being weird, but I feel like we all know that is indeed a lie. Although it's okay, we're just gonna continue, and you guys are just gonna have to deal with me looking like an absolute mess today. What up, Jacob? How are you doing? Okay, let's mark out. Huh, Asia, hi. Okay, Asia, hi. I feel like I already marked out Asia Lover. Apparently I didn't, but I did mark out NWOG. Let's see. Oh, not NWOG, sorry. The new daily opening gap. Oh. Sorry, I think people are here to just have a swim, which is fair. Because like I said, it is hot as hell. Anyways, let's carry on. Brightest future. What's up? Never a mess. Oh, I appreciate that. You're lying, but I appreciate it. London high, cool, and London low was taken. Geordie and mud crab level was taken. I'm gonna keep this up because I'm curious about this. Like I said, I'm curious about something, but that's okay. Means the next level from here would be rather far. Well, I say that, not that far down. Around that level that I have there. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna keep a note of this. I might need to update it. I'm keeping close tabs on what's happening, but it's fine. Sorry, I know I've been awfully quiet and thinking a little bit too much, but let's get this started. What do we think is gonna happen today, guys? Do we think this is gonna go up, down, sideways still because FOMC is later? Is anyone actually trading this today? Maybe that's the next big question. Is anyone actually trading this today, or is this a little bit too chaotic for the masses? Because we are a tad bit unsure. I mean, there's some decent movement happening now, so that's not bad. There, it took out that level. That level's invalid, so that's fine. Sure. So many important levels I don't have anymore. Hey Uka, what's up? How you doing? I'm just gonna keep a very close eye on whatever we have going on here. Let's see, we have 10 minutes until opening. This did not work out, which is why I need to have a double check at the levels. I'm gonna keep this up so that I can go back and see which levels are working better. I know I'm having a big fat chat with myself, but whatever. Anyone that's new here, I hope you're doing well. This is just for you guys.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Well, also, just for you guys, that being said, good morning to those that it is morning to. Good evening or afternoon for those where it's nighttime. Have I got an entry? Hey, Freshington or Tron? What's up? No, not yet. I'm waiting for New York Open. Let's wait for some confirmation today, especially because today, well, later today is FOMC. So we don't want to jump into anything before it's too early. How about you, Freshington? Have you got a something ready and waiting? What's your plan for the day? Hello? I got a little Perry here who's come to say hi, which is new. He doesn't normally come to say hi. Do you want to say hi? So while we're waiting for New York Open to happen. Oh shoot, I still haven't changed the times yet. I'm so sorry. I must change the times. I was running a little bit late. There's a little periwinkle here. You do options. Awesome. Which ones do you do in particular? Perry's here to say hi. Go have fun. I am. That's the plan. I missed a goodie. Not this. This was me just forward testing. I missed this. This was my only A+ setup that I had during London, and I did not take it. So I am beating myself up a little bit with regards to that. Now I'm hands off for a wee bit. But that being said, this movement is still sideways and a little bit choppy. I do think we're potentially waiting for FOMC, which is later. No. Okay, well, I'm stuck like this because my dog now lay down. Nothing cooking. Oh, nice. I am Jay. What's up, Jay? Bitcoin. Heyo, how's Bitcoin? Good morning, Bobby. I don't know why I called you Bobby. I'm so sorry, but good morning.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Exciting of her. Yeah. Well, let's see if it continues, right? Okay, Freshington, I was about to say, I am what now? That doesn't sound very comfy. But anyway, moving on. Moving on swiftly but surely. I'm just gonna set this up out of curiosity. I won't take this because it's nearly New York Open. That would be dumb. But let's see. Okay, my dog moved, so I can actually get back into optimal trading position. You can hear he's still having many heart attack at things. 1, 2. Oh, he's back. What's up? What's up? He came to just boop me. Hey, Franks. What's up? I see you I haven't changed my levels. I haven't? Did I measure them wrong? These are the same levels. Do I have the wrong levels? Have I been measuring them like a chop? Yeah, which was the level you gave me yesterday? Here's the level you gave me yesterday. No? Yes. These were the ones you gave me yesterday, Bob. Now you got me stressing. Did I mark it out wrong? Maybe I marked it out wrong. No. Around 75, 75, 75. Now you got me stressed. I want to maybe change my level. So here's here's Geordie's level. And it goes up to 30, so where London High is. This is where Geordie's is. Okay, sorry. Bob, you got me. I was like, oh no, what did I do? Franks, how are you, my man? How's it been going? Oh, thanks, go have fun. I appreciate it. This... Theoretically, this actually would have been an A+ setup. Again, it is chop and it is nearly opening time, so I would not have done this because I don't trade pre-market. Pre-market? It's pre-market. So I feel like it could go a little bit all over the place. Oh my gosh. But it's fine. Okay, so what are we gonna work on today, people? And by people, I'm talking to myself. I'm sorry, but it helps me just go through everything. So most importantly, stick to your rules. Stick to your rules. Secondly, if you have an A+ setup, take it. Watch this now work. Because I did not take it. Why is the spread stuck? Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, well anyways, the spread's having a moment. It's fine. That's supposed to be the spread, but apparently it's just gonna chinchill over there. Nope, okay, still just gonna chinchill. Amazing. We're just going to ignore that. That's supposed to be the spread that follows it, but it's fine. Yes? Yes. Anyways. Time zone! Here we go. Time zone we need, it's New York, hey. New York, New York, New York. I feel like I'm going the wrong way. EST, Sydney, no, 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 no. I need New York, please. New York, New York. You'll shout if you see it and I'm just being blonde. Oh no. What did I do? Oh no, I did something bad. Did I? Yes, I did something bad. Oh no, I'm messing with things. Oh no, never mind. Ignore me. New York. Yeah, okay, back to where it should be. I'm so sorry. You guys get to witness me being a little bit all over the place today, but it's nothing new. What's up? So hoping to hit a big upswing. Let's see, Freshington. So I don't pretend to assume anything, especially when it comes to New York. I have learned that plenty of times. I know a lot of people think that this is going to continue bull, which is valid. Trend is friend, right? What if this is just a hectic retest? We're still kind of in that 4-hour trap zone, but it's fine. Hey Akash, I know it stopped its operations everywhere. Funding ticks is no more. It's done. Kaput. Yeah. So yeah, anyone who was with Funding Ticks, sorry. I mean, I was actually affiliated with them. I actually had one with them. Well, I bought one with them and I traded it for a little bit. I didn't have any complaints, but yeah. Oh well, Funding Ticks is no more. But it is what it is. I'm sorry, Akash. What are you gonna do now then? Are you gonna try a different one or what's the plan? Okay, let's see. We have 2 minutes to go. Cool. This I would have... Oh, I would have mitigated risk by half here, so just above the swing. I'm curious to see if this would have worked. If it would have, maybe I need to start taking some pre-market trades, but like I said, this is 2 minutes away from opening, which means this maybe would have been a really bad idea. Crypto Roach? Hi, how you doing? Thank you, and to you too. Let's see, we have a minute to go. Oh, thank heavens, the seconds are back on. Okay, 15 seconds to go. Let's see. And 10 seconds, I low-key want to count this down and be very lame. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh damn, okay, so there I would have taken partial, so this would now be a break-even trade. I mean, I don't know if that would have just been luck. Okay, there now it would have been... Okay, so not a full TP, but... I would have been in the green with it, so that's pretty cool. Huh, interesting. Sorry, like I said, I did this out of curiosity. I don't actually trade the pre-market, but... Anyways. Hey, Chartmaster, what's up? Nas 100 seller buy, waiting for confirmations. This low-key looks like it's been going down. It's been retesting. Maybe we start to see it buying again. Maybe it's going to reach its all-time high. Hey, how's it going, Chris? How you doing? I can actually trade today, so heck yeah, let's do this. Got my new setup going, got everything sorted. Here is indeed the 9:30 a.m. range. So here's the 9:30 a.m. range. Let's now see, gonna mark out everything I need. Booked 870 pips on Monday, 200 pips lost on Tuesday. Next day we will break even. Today booked. Whoop whoop, Akash, damn! Oh, thank you. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Damn, this is definitely for Akash. Whoop whoops all around, because that is amazing. Steven! Where you been, Steven? How you doing? Steven! Sorry. Again, I would lie and say that I'll stop being weird, but we all know that's a lie, so it's fine. Hit like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you. You're very, very sweet. Yeah, guys. Let's grow this amazing community. Like I said, we do indeed have a Discord as well. If you guys want, here's the 9:30 AM range. This is not bad. I mean, what did I say? Not bad. Yeah, good solid 39 points. That's not bad. Is it? No, it is. Seriously? I promise that the Wi-Fi is going to be upgraded beginning of the month. I apologize about the lag. Beginning of the month, 1st of Feb. Hopefully it should be sorted. Nope, I'm gonna put my hair back into pigtails. Sorry, I had it like this morning. It did help cool me down. It's so hot here in South Africa and this side of the world right now. It's actually not even funny anymore. Okay, I think buys are the way to go. Let's wait for confirmation. And obviously we haven't even made the 5-minute chart yet, but been sick the last few days. No, Steven, that's not good. Why? Sorry, I'm asking why, like you know why you got sick, but anyways. Sometimes not is everyone's problem, including me. YouTube algorithms problem. Ah, it could be. Let's see. Okay, this might be the beginning of the 5-minute chart. We do not have our first presented fair value gap yet. That being said, it looks like we might have it on ES. Okay, ES is a lot stronger than NQ right now, so let's keep getting confirmation from ES. Here's a bit of an SMT that's formed. Awesome source. Let's do this. Oh, I mean, Steven, that would do it. That would do it. Yeah. Having kids would do... No, I'm joking. Having kids would not make you sick, but you know what I mean. They bring back the flus. I just said the flus like a cool kid. Like I said, I am low-key dying today from heat. Me, my horse, and my dog are not used to this heat, so we all three of us are just death. But it's okay. Hey, Glass? What's up? It's a Glass... Supposed to be like Glass person, or is it like Glass Pearson? Winning volume. Is it? I wouldn't quite call this winning volume. I would say this is okay. This is just chopping right now. Okay, looks like 5-minute candle has been formed though. Is this going to be the first presented fair value gap? If it is, we might have a good setup for short. If this is, this might be... Hey, Be Cool, how you doing? Yes, yeah, sure, why not? Thanks, Manav. Thank you. Thanks, Steven. Anyways, guys, yeah, pop me, if you have Discord, feel free to pop me a message on Discord and we can organize. I'm always keen. Okay, here's the 5-minute. Now we wait for it to break out of this. Okay. 5 minutes, still don't have a first presented. Like I said, we have a first presented on ES. No, do we? I lie, we don't have a first presented on ES. Why did this one change and this one not? That's just silly biscuit things. Cool. So I need to keep a very close eye on ES today. I refers to the person, how we are now. Like, we're all out of glass, transparent. Oh, okay, yeah, so glass person. I love it, I love it. Right, Steven? I think he's asleep, which is valid. Sleepy time. This is not actually a level, sorry. Or is it? No, not a level. Sorry, ignore me. Decent breakout here. Let's see if we get a bit of a retest. If this is the case, 5-minute 9:30. Let me draw here to here. Shoot. Okay, it's not an A plus setup. I can't take it. I can't take it. It's not A plus. I have one confluence. Yeah, I only have one confluence, so I can't do it. Hey, Gerard. What's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? Is this gonna be the first presented? Maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Aw, thanks for all the new subs, guys. You guys are amazing. Mad shout out to all of you. This is for you all. Wait, where to go? Here it is. This is for all of you. For all the new subs. Huge shout out for anyone that's had a winning day. This is also for you guys. This is not quite what I want to see, but yeah. I mean, a little bit of a breakout, a little bit of a retest. This might be pushing lower still. Need to have a look at the higher time frames though. Let's check them higher time frames, shall we? Ignore the chaos that is this. This was me forward testing something. Let's check the 5 minute. Ooh, okay, nearly taken out there. Like I said, it took out my quote-unquote shelf. Nearly taken out here. This level could be quite nice. What's that? 190. 190 is quite a nice level for it to take. Like I said, if this entry was a little bit lower, this would actually be quite nice for a short, but unfortunately it is not. Let's check the 15 minutes. It's not an A plus setup, so do not take it. Sorry, I'm talking to myself and telling myself not to do it, because part of me really does want to take it, but again, like I said, it's not A plus. Not worth potentially messing that up completely. Woof. This was a nice A plus setup on the 15 minutes actually. Check it that. Huh. Awesome. Woof. Let's check the 60 or the 1 hour, whatever you want to call it. Down a little bit trapped in the zone. I want to see it really break below. That being said, this big fair value gap. Okay, completely mitigated this. I want to potentially see it come down and take out the new daily opening gap. Yeah, here we go. Check here. If it can come down, pull out some of this, that would be amazing. Check out the daily. That was so cute. Sorry, someone just said bye, Pyeong. Anyways. Sure, look at this imbalance over here. Oh. Right by this new daily opening gap. This is going to be hectic. Oh damn, oh damn. Oh damn. I think there's going to be a huge rejection off of this. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Sorry. Sinead, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? Where's my kids send you? Perfect. Glass person, enjoy. Oh, I love it. Happy gains, my lovely daily trader, and many gains to all. Thanks, James. Happy gains to you too, by the way. Okay, let's reset this. Okie dokie. So, thank heavens. That being said, let's see what it does now. So to give you guys, yeah, that would have straight away. I'm glad I listened to myself. To give you an idea, this is what this trade would have looked like. This would have been said trade. Here we go, around there. So that would have instantly tagged in and maybe missed by a tick to tag me out. Let's see. Interesting. Well, it's failing to break above the 930 range. So let's see if we get confirmation for it to start going down. But this doesn't look promising. A little bit of a break above. Aha. That straight away instant loss. Listen to your strategy, people. Listen to your strat. Still not. Hallelujah, we have a first presented fair value gap. It only took like a few minutes, but we got one. Here's the first presented. Amazing. Okay, first presented fair value gap is there. So now, by there, like I said, that would have been a loss, so I'm glad I listened to myself. I'm still watching ES. I feel like I'm gonna need confirmation of direction. I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna need confirmation that this is just not gonna go sideways until FOMC, which I feel like it's pretty likely. Grillov? I mean, why are you calling me? Anyways, moving on. Franks, what's up? How's it going? Hey, OTG, how goes it? How goes it? How you doing? Oh, damn, OTT, are you on a mission? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, OTT, your work's cut out for you. I apologize. OTT, how's it looking for you? Have you taken a trade yet? Or not really? Like I said, I need to personally wait for some more confirmation. Especially if we're failing to break above. I'm gonna set this up and... Nope. Just nope. This is yucky. You trade up, about some time someone blew. Took the trash out. I love it, Steven. I'm in both live streams. I feel like David. I'm so sorry, OTT. How's it? He's like... Okay. I'm so sorry. Where are all the other mods at today? Good grief. There's flying there everywhere. Oh. Dead. Okay, wait. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna quickly get... I have, whatchamacallit. Wow. Rehydrate. That's what I need today. I need rehydrate. Oh, I need... Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna be right back. Waiting for confirmation of this. Let me set this up again. Like I said, this is not an A+ setup, so I'm not gonna take it regardless. So then I would still be following this up. Okay, this is looking better. This is looking more promising for an A+ setup. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Ah, my knee. This is why I have bruises on my legs. I keep hitting into things. Oh, I feel like a grandma now. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm getting rehydrates. Ah, yes, I see nothing has happened. Cool, cool, cool. You know how it goes. No trades today, won't be taking anything. It's FOMC. Might do something in the PMs though. You're making me tempted to hop back on for the afternoon session, but I don't know. I don't know if that's a good idea. Sure, how big is this? I mean, it's doable. We've broken above. Been happy to break above. Still wicking out slightly. Good rejection off of the bob level though. 1, 2... It's a B setup. Okay, it's a B setup. It's not an A plus setup. It's a B setup. We do have first presented, which is quite good. I don't like that it's in the oopsies. That's not what I wanted to do. I don't like that it's in the bob level though. Okay, it's not A plus, so leave it alone. Into back into the 930 as well, so it's not projecting off of there. It didn't actually close above the 5 minute like you would want to see. So there would have been entry and just went straight through. Damn. No ways. Is this sad price action? Are we doing the sad thing today where this is going above and below, above and below? If it takes out, take a short. If it goes below, no, this is yucky. Hey Curtis, what's up? How you doing? Looks like a breakout of potential low. So Carl, that's what I was thinking as well, but this now looks, this is sad price action. That's what that is. Sorry, sad for me, it's seek and destroy, right? Where it seeks the high liquidity or external liquidity. Yep. It seeks liquidity. That's what I'm getting at. So that also would have been a loss. Oh, damn. Okay, so I need to be hands off until we get confirmation that we're actually sticking with the direction, not just going sideways. Thank heavens. Listen to your strat, people. Sure, listen to your strategy. They did, Curtis. I can trade today, which is awesome. Sorry, I'm being a little bit slow with responding to people. I apologize. I'm low-key focused, but in the same breath now, let me actually respond to everyone because I actually cannot do anything until we get solid confirmation that we are going to move in a direction apart from sideways. Okay, so let's do this. OTT, if I was trading, would be in a long right now. Why the economy hasn't tanked yet? Because of it has printed trillions of dollars that I'm never going to be paid back. Bethrazin, did I say that correctly? I mean, you make valid points. Bit scary, but valid. Hey, Kwon, did I say it correctly? What's up? How you doing? Yep, no, exactly. OTT, that would have sucked. Would you have also been taken out, OTT, if you were in the long? About a week ago, a lot size would have been $4,000. You know, someone else mentioned $4,000, but with silver this morning. But he said his was, he opened a trade and forgot that he had it. And he looked and he was like, oh, I'm up like $4,000. What a rough life. What a rough life. Damn. Yeah, took the breakout trade and instantly got taken out. No! I'm so sorry. Don't forget that it is FOMC today, people. So trade with caution. That's all I'm saying. You know, just in my opinion, it's obviously not financial advice. You do you. You trade however you want to trade. But just be aware that it is FOMC today. $65 points. That's ridiculous. $7,000. Curtis, do you want to share some of the love, maybe? Like just a fun thought. Have you gotten? Are you still in that? In the next? Is it in the next hour? I thought it was a lot later. I really thought the news was a lot later. When? What? How? So again, this is out of pure curiosity now. I mean, nothing about this would have been A+, so I guess there's a fair value gap and a shelf. So this would have at least had 2, if that counts. Struggle to break below the 930. I think this could still go bullish. I suspect. Let me not say I suspect this could still go bullish. But it's... Oh no, it took out the low on ES. I take it back. This is indeed sad price action today. The FOMC is at 7 PM, I'm assuming, right? So, a heck of a lot later for me. Oh, the Canada oil news is in and out. Got it. I was like, what? 7 GMT. Ooh. Who's my trading idol? That's a really good question. Can I be a little bit cheesy? Is it okay if I'm a little bit cheesy with the answer to that, if you don't mind? Is it okay? For me, my idol isn't even anyone like quote unquote famous. For me, all my idols, again, this is where it's gonna be cheesy, I'm sorry. But everyone, I feel like I need sad. Like, I know it's sad music, but it's supposed to be like emotional music. Okay, are you ready? I feel like everyone in this amazing community, they are all my idols. Sorry, I had to create some ambiance. For such a cheesy thing to say. But that being said, I know it's cheesy. Doesn't make it less true. 100% everyone in this amazing community is my idol. Everyone that comes here every day, I have so much respect for everyone here. Because you guys really put the time and effort in. Not saying obviously the big names don't. Clearly they do, else they wouldn't be big names. But, you know, for them, it's what they do. For everyone else that grinds and works hard at it, this is not... Well, okay, some people, this is what they do. But, you know, they're not doing it for any other reason apart from they love it. What did... Okay, who is Sai and what did Sai do? Is that the person that traded like millions and lost millions live and is that person? Because I remember some guy telling me about that person. I was like, damn. After the 100 million and traded just using structured gold and Nasdaq. What? But he doesn't trade anymore? Use ICC, right? Do you like Steve Bigelow, Stephen Nemo, and Steve? Do you have a thing for Steves? Chantimus? Yeah, do you have a thing for Steves? Yeah, they would have been the loss. Okay, yeah, no, 100%. I just need to wait for confirmation that we're actually going somewhere. Those Steves are good. Good Steves. Hey, Rib, how are you? How's your daughter? But yeah, I apologize for that being super corny, but yeah, 100% my idols are just everyone in this community. I am very well aware that it's so cheesy to say things like that, but I'm just a cheese ball then, apparently. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Sorry. And like ICT came into the trading space, claimed he coded the algo, lost the province cup, gave free teachings. I mean, yeah, that's valid. He does more crypto investments now. He doesn't sell any courses, any signals he refuses. He was in South Africa last year doing a talk. Oh, that's cool. Damn, if only I was more into trading back then, I could have maybe gone to check it out. Ah, poop. Oh well. My daughter's doing amazing. She's traveling on home. Amazing. So, now that David's not here, you are aware that me and him aren't a thing, right? Just putting it out there. I'm definitely going to go to South Africa this year to be a tourist. I want to see some lions. Oh, Curtis, you have to tell me when you're here. Cause heck yeah. Oh shoot, I moved that. But I'm curious. Bob, are you still here? Where are you going? Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Was there... Oh, no ways! OTT, were you really? I'm kind of jealous. It sounds really cool. Aw, kind of bummed. I didn't know that was a thing that happened. Was anyone else cool coming to South Africa? No, maybe. I'm now sad. I'm now so sad. Oh well. That's okay. Let's do this.
Nice.
Rejecting of the 9:30 a.m. So that's something. You said looking at this. Oh shoot, this is A+. But I trust this 0 amounts because we haven't gotten any confirmation, but this is an A+ setup. At my VWAP, I have the first presented fair value gap, and I have a little bit of a volume imbalance down here protecting it. So this is actually technically an A+ setup. Again, do I trust this though? Not really. But see if this would have worked out. Sorry, this is going sideways, so it would, as much as this is an A+ setup, I feel like I would be really dumb to take it. Like, if my brain's telling me to mitigate risk by half, then I know that. Look at, so Geordie's levels, right? Geordie